A group of learners uses the reaction of excess hydrochloric acid, HCl, with the zinc to investigate the factors which influence the reaction rate. The balanced equation for the reaction is given below. Now, they use the same volume of hydrochloric acid. They use the same volume of hydrochloric acid uh, and 1,2 grams of zinc in each experiment. So, if bayakubuza ngokuthi what is the controlled variable lapha kwi-experiment? Nansi nje. Bebeyakunikeza ukuthi basebenzise ivolume efanayo. Yes, control variable, yes. Ivolume iyafana. But kakhulukazi masibuka i-controlled variables sibuka ama-factors that affect the rate of reaction. And 1,2 grams of zinc in each of 5 experiments. Now, the reaction conditions and temperature readings before and after completion of the reaction in each experiment are summarized in the table below. So, nansi summary la kuleli thebula esilinikeziwe. Kubalulekile-ke ukuthi kwithebula lethu ufunde u-understand-e yonke into before uyoqala uyophendula ama-questions. Lokho-ke kubaluleke ngendlela esimanga. So, kwithebula lethu sino experiment 1 up to experiment 5. Then la sinikezwe i-concentration and ama-units akhona mole per cubic decimeter. Then before a reaction, temperature bethini, after a reaction, temperature bethini. So sinikeza i-temperature la in degrees Celsius. Then sase sinikezwa the state of division of 1,2 grams of what? Of zinc. So njengoba sitsheniwe ukuthi kuwo wonke lama experiment o-5 i-mass esetshenzisiwe ka-zinc u-1,2 grams. Mass le esetshenzisiwe kuwo wonke lama experiment. Then bese kuba isikhathi. Ya-check-a ukuthi iyiphi reaction ethatha isikhathi esincane, iyiphi ethatha isikhathi esiningi kuphela. Nalezi namba-ke uyayiqhathanisa ukuthi njengoba kuyi-concentration, khona la kune-concentration enkulu khona, khona la kune-concentration encane khona. Bese uyayibuza ukuthi konje la khona i-concentration enkulu kuyi-affecta kanjani i-rate of reaction, la khona i-concentration encane kuyi-affecta kanjani i-rate of reaction. La khona i-temperature ikhula kakhulu okudlula kwamanye ama-experiment. Lana nje isuke ku-20 ku-34, lana isuke ku-30 yaku-35, lana isuke ku-35 yaku-50. So, izinto lezi kufanele uy'buze zona ukuthi konje uma ngabe i-temperature increase i-affect kanjani i-rate of reaction ngoba siyakhumbula i-temperature iyenye yama-factors a-affect i-rate of reaction. State of division nakhona bese siya-check lana sinama-granules, lana sino-powder. Konje ama-granules affecta kanjani i-rate of reaction, upowder i-affecta kanjani i-rate of reaction. State of division sikhuluma nge-surface area. So sikhuluma nge-surface area. Ukhumbule upowder uzokhava i-surface area eningi than ama-granules azokhava i-surface area encane. So fanele ukwazi-ke uku-compare experiment 1 maybe no-experiment 2 ukuthi okay, la sisebenzisa ama-granules i-rate of reaction izoba low, la sisebenzise khona upowder i-rate of reaction izoba fast. Ubona ngani ukuthi fast? Na kuthatha 10 seconds, lana kuthatha 50. Okay. Ithebula lakho fanele u-understand before uzophendula ini questions. Now, is the reaction between hydrochloric acid and zinc exothermic or endothermic. Now, give a reason for the answer by referring to the data in the table. So, usubuka data kuphi kwi-table ukuthi ngabe i-reaction yethi exothermic yini noma i-endothermic. So, masibuka-ke i-temperature before beku-20, after reaction sekubani seku-34, beku-20 u-35. So, ngibuka la i-temperature iya increase from experiment 1 up to experiment 5. Temperature ye-reaction iya increase, and uku-increase kwe-temperature kwenza i-reaction yethu ibe exothermic. Once i-temperature of the system increase, kusho ukuthi leyo reaction enjani i-exothermic. So uzothini? Uzosho ukuthi exothermic bese uyasho isizathu temperature increases during the reaction. Usho ukuthi temperature increases during the reaction. Or usho ukuthi temperature final is greater than temperature initial. Ileyo nto ozoyibhala la. Now, give a reason for the difference in reaction rate observed in experiment 1 and experiment 2. So, basho ukuthini-ke? So, before uzosho nje i-difference, uzosho i-difference between the two. Uzoqala ubuke la i-concentration la 0,5 nala 0,5. Concentration iyafana for both experiment. Temperature, okay. Temperature la ihluke ngapha, ihluke ngo-1 per 34, okay. Awukho umehluko omkhulu kwe-temperature. Ngesibuke la kwi-state of division, ngapha ngaphezulu basebenzisa ama-granules, ngezansi basebenzise bani? Upowder. And thatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi kwenzeke u-reaction 2, thathe u-10 second. Thatha isikhathi esingakanani for experiment 1, kuthathe u-50 second. So okusho ukuthi unakhuzana experiment 2 uthatha isikhathi esincane kakhulu. So ukuthi i-rate of reaction for experiment 2 ibe fast. Yini eyenza lokho? Sesingabuka-ke i-factor la. Inansi i-powder. Ngaba basebenzisa u-powder kanti ngenhla basebenzisa ama-granules, and u-powder urepresenta a larger surface area. So uzosho-ke wena i-answer yala, uzosho ukuthi larger surface area in experiment 2. Experiment 2 sisebenzise ini? I-surface area enkulu ngoba sisebenzisa upowder. Ingakho-ke la experiment 2 kuthatha isikhathi esincane ukuthi i-reaction injani iphele. Now, learners compare the results. Angazi noma athi ngibhale. For experiment 2 Kela exothermic. Experiment 2 ungasho ukuthi larger surface area in experiment 2. Okay. The learners compared the results of experiment 1 and experiment 3 and to draw a conclusion regarding the effect of concentration on the reaction rate. Give reasons why this is not fair comparison. Now, ake sibuke u-reaction 1 and 3 lo okhomperwa zingane. Experiment 1, experiment 3. Sibukeke. Ku-experiment 1 i-concentration abayisebenzisile u-0,5. Ngesinothe lokho. Experiment 3 basebenzise u-0,5. Experiment 1 basebenzise 0,5, experiment 3 basebenzise 0,8 concentration. Siye siyobuka ama-granules. Ngapha experiment 1 basebenzisa ama-granules. Experiment 3 basebenzisa ini? Upowder. Okay, i-question ithini? Ithi the learners compare experiment 1 and experiment 3 to draw a conclusion regarding the effects of concentration on reaction rate. Give a reason why. So, ba-compare experiment 1 no-experiment 3 ukuze bebone ukuthi ngabe i-concentration i-affecta kanjani i-rate of reaction. So, kwesinye isikhathi bebezokubuza ukuthi ngabe le comparison i-fair yini noma ayikho fair. In this case basitshenile ukuthi ayikho fair. Bathi asisho isizathu ukuthi why ingekho fair. But kwi-question elandelayo kwi-exam mhlawumbe bengasho ukuthi bengakukhethisa ukuthi i-fair yini noma ayikho fair bese uyasho ukuthi i-fair or ayikho fair. Bese uyachaza ukuthi usho ngani ukuthi ayikho fair. So la into enye kufanele siyikhumbule kunento ekuthiwa dependent variable ne-independent independent variable. Okay, independent variable sikhuluma nge-concentration, sikhuluma nge-temperature, sikhuluma nge-surface area. Ama-independent variable lawo. Sikhulume nange-catalyst. Ama-independent variable lawo. Bese dependent variable i-rate of reaction. Uma thina sishintsha i-concentration sisuke sifuna ukubona ukuthi i-rate of reaction izokwenza njani. Uma sishintsha i-temperature si-increase noma si-decreases okuyi-independent variable sisuke sifuna ukubona ukuthi i-rate of reaction izokwenza njani. So kufanele ukuthi mangabe sinawo ama-factors lawo a-affect rate of reaction angama-independent variable. Kufanele ukuthi i-independent variable ibe yodwa. Iba yodwa kanjani independent variable? Kufanele ukuthi masi-compare experiment 1 no-experiment 3 kushintshe into eyodwa. Makushintsha i-concentration ngapha u-0,5 ngapha ku-0,8 lana phela kube ama-granules nalapho kube ama-granules ukuze sizokwazi ukukompera ukuthi kahle kahle i-concentration i-affecta kanjani i-rate of reaction. Uma sekushintsha kokubili ngapha kushintsha i-concentration ngapha basebenzisa ama-granules basebenzisa upowder asisaboni ukuthi kahle kahle yini eyenze i-rate of reaction ibe fast. Fanele kushintshe into eyodwa. Akukwazi ukuthi kube khona ama-independent variable amabili. Sisho ukuthini kunama-independent variable amabili? Yingoba kushintsha i-concentration iya-increase nangapha futhi for i-surface area abasebenzisanga into efanayo. Ngapha basebenzisa ama-granules, ngapha basebenzisa upowder. So le comparison ayikho fair ngoba basebenzise more than one independent variable. More than one independent variable. So, if befuna ukubona i-concentration ukuthi i-affect kanjani rate of reaction akube iyona yodwa eshintshayo, lokho okunye kufana. If befuna ukubona i-state of division noma i-surface area ukuthi i-affect kanjani rate of reaction, concentration akubo 0,5 kubo 0,5 kushintshe ngapha kushintshe i-surface area kuphela. Basebenzisa ama-granules, basebenzisa upowder kuphela. Leyo experiment sothi fair. Now, how does the rate of reaction in experiment 5 compare to that in experiment 1? Write down slower than, equal to, or faster than. Write down the factor responsible for the difference in rate of reaction and explain by referring to the collision theory how these factors affect the rate of reaction. Okay. Ake sibuke kahle. Bakhulume ngo-experiment 5. Bakhuluma ngo-experiment 1. Ake sibuke-ke ukuthi-ke ngabe yiyiphi le factor le ephazamisa noma e-alter i-rate of reaction. Ke sibuke experiment 1 no-experiment 5. Masibuka lapha ke siqale si-check i-concentration u-0,5, experiment 5 u-0,5. Shuthi i-concentration abayi-affectanga, ngeke sithi i-concentration e-affecte i-rate of reaction. Sibuka temperature, initial u-20, initial 20, after u-34, after 34. Temperature iyafana, angeke kube i-temperature e-affecta i-rate of reaction. So sesiwa-eliminate-ile lama-factor amabili, concentration ne-temperature. Size kwi-state of division okuyi-surface area, basebenzisa ama-granules, basebenzisa ama-granules. So sesi-eliminate amangaka ama-factor awu-3. Si-eliminate i-concentration, sa-eliminate temperature, sa-eliminate ini i-state of division. Siyobuka isikhathi ukuthi experiment 1 uthatha isikhathi esingakanani, experiment 5 uthatha isikhathi esingakanani. Experiment 1 thatha 50 second, experiment 5 thatha 11 second. So okusho ukuthi experiment 5 ube faster than ini experiment 1. So ngabe yiphi le factor le eyenza ukuthi experiment 5 athathe isikhathi esincane while experiment 1 ethatha isikhathi esiningi? So le factor bayayifihla, le factor le. Mawucheka-ke kuma-factors esinawo, sithe akusiyona ini i-concentration siyi-eliminate-ile, sayi-eliminate i-temperature, sayi-eliminate i-surface area. Kusala yiphi i-factor? I-catalyst. Yiyo le catalyst le eyenze ukuthi u-reaction 5 abe fast. Sobona ngesikhathi. If zonke ezinye izinto wonke amanye ama-factors ayafana, but inakhuzana isikhathi khona i-reaction ithatha isikhathi esincane kunenye, kusho ukuthi i-catalyst abayisebenzisile. So sizobhala ukuthi a catalyst was used. Phuzu lakho lokuqala ngoba bebekufihlele sokunemanga nalokho. A catalyst was used. Ucheck-e futhi. Okay, usuyazi-ke how to write using a catalyst. Uyazi ukuthi a catalyst provides an alternative pathway of lower activation energy. Iphuzu lakho lesibili lelo. Elokuqala, a catalyst was used. A catalyst provides an alternative pathway of lower activation energy. Iphuzu lakho lesithathu, more molecules have a sufficient energy. Sufficient kinetic energy. Ngixoleleke. Kinetic lo bafethu iyabonakala. Then iphuzu lokugcina fanele into uyibhale in point form. More effective collisions per unit time. More effective collisions per unit time. So lapho si-explain-a using what? Using collision theory. So i-collision theory ithini nge-catalyst? Angithi usutholile ukuthi i-factor affect rate of reaction i-catalyst. Back kuma-notes wakho ithini i-catalyst? Uthini i-collision theory nge-catalyst? Ithi i-affecta kanjani i-rate of reaction? Sekufanele ubhale wonke-ke lawo ma-notes. Exactly njengoba enjalo from lama-answer exactly njengoba enjalo kuma-notes wakho. Ngicabanga ukuthi la ama-notes umfundi ofuna ukuphasa i-physical sciences noma ama-answer lawa angawasho, wa-check-a kahle ukuthi iyiphi i-factor la iphazamisekile. Then ngiyazi ukuthi lento ngiyinikezile kuma-notes, then ngiyibhala njengoba injalo. So wena ukuze uphase kahle fanele wazi ukuthi uma ngabe i-concentration e-affectile, i-rate of reaction ngizobhala kanjani nge-concentration. Uma ngabe bayi-increase-isile i-concentration ngizobhala ngithini. Uma ngabe bayi-decrease-ile ngizobhala ngithini. Uma ngabe bayi-increase-ile i-temperature ngizobhala ngithini. Uma ngabe i-decrease i-temperature ngizobhala ngithini. Surface area basebenzisa upowder ngibhala ngithini. Basebenzisa ama-granules ngibhala ngithini. Bayi-add i-catalyst ngibhala ngithini. Bayi-remove i-catalyst ngibhala ngithini. Fanele uwazi wonke lama-factors masikhuluma ngale question ye-collision theory. Then sebethini-ke? Sebethi calculate the rate at which hydrochloric acid reacts in experiment 4. So bayifuna kumaphi ama-unit in moles per second. Calculate the rate at which hydrochloric acid reacts in experiment 4. So bayakutshela ukuthi inakhuzana yakho, i-rate yakho siyifuna in moles per second. So ba-specific bathi asinakeni ubani? Experiment 4. So sifuna nazi i-rate ka-hydrochloric acid. Okay. Mangabe sifuna-ke i-rate ka-hydrochloric acid, ukhumbule according to this we were given 1,2 grams kabani? Ka-zinc. So kuzofanele si-calculate ama-number of moles ka-zinc. Uma sesiwatholile ama-number of moles ka-zinc, using stoichiometry sithola ama-number of moles kabani? Ka-hydrochloric acid. Ngoba ama-unit wethu athi moles per second and si-calculate i-rate kabani? Ka-hydrochloric acid. Okusho ukuthi sidinga ama-number of moles kabani? Ka-hydrochloric acid. So sinikezwe i-mass ka-zinc esiyisebenzisile. Using stoichiometry sizothola ama-number of moles ka-hydrochloric acid bese bathe asisebenzise experiment 4. Nangiya experiment 4. Sesizo-check-a ukuthi experiment 4 thatha isikhathi esingakanani khona sizo-divide ngesikhathi. Sinake futhi ukuthi isikhathi sethu sikuma-second nama-unit wethu akuphi? Akuma-second. Then for uzinc singafuna umiste ka-zinc from the periodic table. Uzinc molar mass yakhe 65 grams per mole. Then sesinga-calculate ini ama-number of moles ka-zinc. Ngathi singakuveza lokho ukuthi si-calculate ini manje ama-number of moles ka-zinc. I-mass ka-zinc 1,2. Ma-number of i-molar mass 65. Mawushaya i-calculator uzothola u-0,018 mole. Okay, sesinawo ama-number of moles ka-zinc using stoichiometry. Zinc is 2 HCl. 1:2. Now 0,018 is 2x. Then we can cross multiply. X is equal to 2 times 0,018. Then ama-number of moles kabani lawa esizowathola aka-HCl. Azoba mangaki ama-number of moles ka-HCl a-reactile? Azoba u-0,037 mole. So ama-number of moles kabani lawa? Aka-HCl. Now sesinama-number of moles ka-HCl a-reactile, sesinga-calculate i-rate of reaction for HCl. Rate is equal to change in number of moles over change in time. Ama-number of moles areact-ile u-0,037. Thatha isikhathi esingakanani? Thatha u-8 second. Mawushaya laphaya calculator izokukhiphela u-4,63 times 10 to the power of minus 3. Ama-units ubhala wona lawaya, mole per second, akusenaso isikhathi. Okay, vele ama-unit wakho iwona akutshelayo ukuthi kufanele ukuthi udivide ama-number of moles uwadivide ngama-second ukuze uthole i-rate. Iwona ama-unit akuthumayo ukuthi okay, thola i-rate ka-hydrochloric acid. Ukuze uyithole i-rate ngaphezulu kufanele kube nama-number of moles wakho hydrochloric acid divide isikhathi ukuthi i-reaction ithatha isikhathi esingakanani. So iwona ama-unit akuthumayo ukuthi kahle kahle udinga ini ukuze ukwazi uku-calculate ini i-rate of reaction. In this case, ama-unit asithuma ukuthi asami siyothola ama-number of moles hydrochloric acid, then sabuyela emumva sayawathola ukuthi besinikeza iy'mi esikazini. Masingathola ama-number of moles kazinki using stoichiometry singathola wa-HCl. Then we calculate the rate of reaction. Si-check nanokuthi i-reaction yethu ithatha isikhathi esingakanani.